Hi everyone. So good evening all of you. Myself Dr. B. Ranganath, chemistry faculty. So this is my YouTube channel, Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT NEET Academy. So this channel is very useful for those who are preparing for mainly IIT and NEET level aspirants. Students, today I am going to discuss about in chemical kinetics chapter. So how to write the units for order of reaction by simple tricks. So before going to finding of units of order of reaction, first we must know about the what is reaction rate, what is rate of reaction, what is rate of reaction. So here students, what is reaction rate means the decrease in the concentration of the reactant per unit time or increasing in the concentration of the product per unit time is called rate of reaction. So for example, the rate means R. So rate is equals to the decrease in the concentration of reactant per unit time, means it is denoted by D of R. Reactant means dt. So this indicates, minus indicates decrease in the concentration of reactant or indicates reactant, or increase in the concentration of product, d of concentration of dp by dt. So this is the rate, reaction rate or rate of reaction. So here every reaction gives rise to product. These are reactant and product. So here decreasing the concentration of reactant per unit time or increasing in the concentration of product per unit time. So this is rate. So here what are the units of rate? So already you know that what is rate. So here rate is equals to students x by t, simple. X means concentration, concentration per time, concentration per time. So here what are the units of concentration? So moles per liter, moles per liter is the concentration per unit. So time in seconds. So therefore what are the final units of here? So rate of units is equals to rate units, rate units is equals to mole per liter per second, per liter per second. So this is the units of rate. Okay, here in the chemical kinetics the rate units is exactly equal to the some order of reaction. I will explain which one, whether it is zero or first or second order. So next, order of reaction. So what is order of reaction? Okay, what is order of reaction? So here order of reaction means the sum of powers of the concentration terms of the reactants in the rate equation is called order of reaction. The sum of powers of concentration terms in the rate of the reaction. For example, student, so here I am taking the general equation. So here AA plus small b capital B gives rise to CC plus small d capital D. This is reactant, this is product. So here, how to represent the order of reaction? So here the sum of powers of concentration terms. So rate is equals to K into, for example, concentration of capital A whole power M, concentration of capital B power N, or so here if you put here A means, so here also A. Okay, so here A, here B. So this is the order of reaction, the sum of powers of concentration terms of the reactant in the rate equation is called order of the reaction. Order of the reaction may be zero or fraction or a negative also possible, or whole number also possible, or integer. Fractional also, so minus 1 by 2 also possible. So means 1 by 2 fractional, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2 also possible. So this is the order of reaction. So here in this order of reaction, okay, you know the definition for order of reaction. What are the units of order of reaction? And how to calculate simple tricks by using this simple trick, students. Okay, so here what are the simple tricks? It represents by LMS, Nana. LMS. L per liter, M per mole, S per second. L power n minus 1, M power 1 minus n, S power minus 1. These are the K units. K means whether it has zero order reaction or first order reaction, second order reaction, third order reaction. So this is the general equation, general units, general formula. This is general formula for units. For example, zero order reaction, zero order reaction. In this zero order reaction, if we put n is equals to n means nth order, nth order, nth order. If n is equals to 0 indicates what? So here L power minus 1, M power 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1. So S power minus 1, that is equals to, so L power minus 1, M power 1, S power 1. So therefore mole per liter, more per liter per second, per second. So this is zero order reaction units. To observe these students, zero order reaction is exactly equal to rate units, right? And this is very important note. So what is the important note in this? So here rate units is exactly equals to zero order units. This is zero order units. So next you can calculate first order reaction. First order reaction units. So here L power n minus 1, M power 1 minus n, S power minus 1. So therefore n is equals to 1. Then so L power what? So L power 1 minus 1, M power 1 minus 1, S power minus 1. That is equals to anything power 0 is 1. So only what are the units of first order reaction? Second inverse is the first order reaction. Again second order reaction, Anna. Second order reaction means if you put n is equals to 2 means what are the units of L power 2 minus 1, M power 1 minus 2, S power minus 1. So then L power liter per mole per second, This is the second order units. So this is exactly equal to rate constant unit. What is rate constant? What is rate constant? Here, to observe this rate constant, Nana, here rate constant, K is equals to for general reaction. So here rate constant, for example, rate is equals to rate constant is equals to, so here which of the following, so here just wait, so here it is exactly equal to nth order reaction. So what are the rate constant here? Rate is equals to, first of all, what is rate? Rate is equals to, strike out this one. So here rate is the general equation, rate is equals to K into concentration of A power M, general formula, concentration of B power N. Therefore, K is the rate constant. K is equals to rate by concentration of A power M, concentration of B power N. That is equals to, what are the units for rate? What are the units for rate, Nana? Liter, moles per liter. Moles per liter per second is the rate units. So here concentration units, mole per liter. Mole per liter. Here moles per liter. Okay, moles per liter, liter get cancelled. Therefore, here moles means mole inverse, liter, and second inverse. This is rate constant units. It is exactly equals to second order reaction, liter per mole per second. So okay, So this is liter per mole per second. So units of rate constant is exactly equal to second order reaction. Second order reaction. So these are the simple tricks for units. Next, I'm going to discuss about simple equation for half-life period, how to calculate half-life period. So first of all, so here zero order reaction, first order reaction and second order reaction. So here zero order reaction, what is the general equation for zero order? So write down one by one. So here zero order reaction. Zero means x by t. And x by t means, so here the zero order reaction for k is equals to x by t. If half-life time of the zero order reaction is equals to, if x is equals to, if you put x is equals to a by 2, x is equals to a by 2. So therefore, in the zero order reaction, k is equals to x by t, that is equals to a by 2 into a by 2 by t. So therefore, then, so here what? In half-life time of the zero order reaction, half-life time of the zero order reaction, a by, so a by, so here if a by t, so that is t of is equals to a by 2 by k, that is equals to t of is equals to so a by 2 into a by 2k is the half-life of zero order reaction. So this is the half-life time of zero order reaction. If zero order reaction x by 2, if I put x is equals to a by 2, so then t of zero order reaction is equals to a by 2k. And next here first order reaction. So what are the first order reaction? First order reaction is equals to, what is the equation for first order reaction? So here k is equals to first order reaction. K is equals to 2.303 by t into log of a by a minus x. This is general equation for first order reaction. In this general equation for first order reaction, if we put x is equals to a by 2, then t of is equals to k is equals to 2.303 by t into log of a by a minus a by 2. If we can solve this one, k is equals to 2.303 by t into log 2. So if you can multiply this one, okay, so log 2 value 0.301. 2.303 into 0.301 means 0.693 by t. Therefore, so here, therefore, T of first order reaction is equals to 0.693 by K. This is the T of first order reaction. And next second order reaction means, so if you put second order reaction, here second order is the T of second order reaction. So is directly proportional to T of is directly proportional to 1 by m. So T of is equals to a by k to a. This is T of. So this is the simple explanation of order of reaction and half-life time and units for zero order, first order and second order reaction. So thank you student. So please subscribe this channel. This is very useful for those who are appearing for the examination 20 like CET, like NEET and IIT JEE mains. So please subscribe and share. This is Dr. B. Ranganathan, IIT NEET Academy students. Thank you.